My name's Nolan. I'm going to tell you about being nice to animals. God made animals on the same day He made people. People have had pets for thousands and thousands of years. Some animals are dangerous, but pets are safe. When someone gets a pet, it's their job to take care of it. Taking care of it means feeding it, playing with it, giving it exercise, making sure it's safe and loved. That means being gentle with it, treating it nicely, and giving it space when it needs it. I have a pet named Randy. He's a cat. I love him so much and I want him to feel safe. I need to remember to be gentle with him. I'm almost 5. I can be kind to pets. Everyone is happy when I'm kind to pets, even God. Remember, always be kind to animals.